Welcome back to The Explainer. Today, we are breaking down a massive news drop that is going to fundamentally change the way you work, study, and create. Google NotebookLM just dropped 10 futuristic updates for 2026, and it's transforming the platform from a simple AI notebook into a completely autonomous AI operating system.
But wait, what if an AI could take your scattered, completely messy notes and turn them into a fully narrated cinematic documentary in, literally seconds? Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's not anymore. This is the new reality of AI. If you're still doing your workflow manually, you are absolutely about to be left in the dust.
All right, let's jump into News Update 1, the content creation crisis and instant media generation.
Look, for years, creators and professionals have basically been drowning. We waste countless hours on manual content generation, right? The old way meant wrestling with formatting slide layouts, resizing text, and fighting to align bullet points. It's exhausting. But NotebookLM now auto-generates complete editable PowerPoint decks directly from your documents. So instead of wrestling with formatting all night, you get these instant, beautifully structured layouts and talking points. You're literally getting hours of your life back.
And guys, it goes way beyond just slides. Google just added cinematic video overviews. Here's how it works. Step 1, you upload a massive, say, 50-page research PDF. Step 2, you customize the audience. You just tell it, hey, explain this like I'm 12, or make it sound super professional for my executives. Step 3, NotebookLM just hands you a fully narrated video presentation. We're talking dynamic visuals, animated transitions, synced narration, cinematic pacing. It is literally an AI documentarian generator right on your desktop. It is absolutely mind-blowing.
Oh, and you can even generate instant AI infographics. Think anime style, clay, sketch notes, bento grid, kawaii, professional business, the whole shebang. If you're a creator or a marketer, you can completely bypass hours of tedious design work. You instantly generate high-quality visual assets for your Instagram or your study materials in these wildly diverse visual styles.
Moving on to News Update 2. Information overload and your second brain.
So we are definitely facing a serious online crisis right now with information overload. We consume so much data every single day that nothing actually sticks. And historically, learning from audio or podcasts, it's been a totally passive one-way street. You just sit there and listen. But NotebookLM's famous AI podcast feature is now fully interactive. So what does that actually mean? It means you can hit pause, ask the AI hosts a question, challenge their statements, and redirect the conversation in real time. You are literally conversing with your AI teachers.
And it gets better, because you can customize exactly how those teachers speak to you. You can switch between custom AI podcast modes, things like deep dive, debate, critique, or educational mode. Just imagine taking a ridiculously dense university textbook, turning it into a heated debate between two AI hosts, and questioning them while you're out walking the dog. I mean, this completely revolutionizes online learning as we know it.
Now, what if you are more of a visual learner? Well, NotebookLM generates interactive mind maps that instantly identify major concepts, supporting arguments, and topic hierarchies. Imagine trying to wrap your head around a brutally complex topic like quantum physics. The AI visually maps everything out for you automatically. You can click around, expand nodes, and reorganize the structure. It truly feels like having a visual second brain right there on your screen.
But wait, how do you even get all that information into the notebook in the first place? Enter Deep Research Mode. Here's the workflow. Step 1, the AI automatically searches through hundreds of websites. Step 2, it gathers and actually compares those sources. Step 3, it builds a structured report with perfectly linked citations. No more getting completely lost in a sea of 50 endless browser tabs. It acts as your own autonomous AI research assistant.
And that brings us to a really massive number. 5,000. That is your character limit for instructions when you are building custom AI personas inside the platform. You literally have 5,000 characters to tailor the AI's exact behavior. That gives you an unprecedented level of control over your workspace.
You can tell it to act like a harsh PhD professor when reviewing your essay, or analyze this like a startup investor for your new business plan. By using these deep personas, power users can finally strip away those generic, robotic AI responses we all kind of hate and get highly specialized, expert-level perspectives tailored directly to their specific workflows.
All right, let's hit News Update 3, the Enterprise Bottleneck and Pro Tools.
We've talked a lot about creators and students, but how are businesses supposed to consolidate their massive workflows into this system?
Look, professional data is usually a total nightmare, scattered across multiple apps, endless folders, and incredibly messy spreadsheets. But NotebookLM now acts as a universal AI workspace that extracts all that messy information into automatic smart data tables. So you end up saving hours of manual formatting because the AI instantly organizes your earnings reports and competitor analyses into clean, perfectly sortable columns.
And it handles almost every file type you can throw at it. We're talking PDFs, Google Docs, Word files, EPB ebooks, Google Sheets, your handwritten notes, images, meeting transcripts, and even direct Google Drive imports. NotebookLM is absolutely no longer just a note-taking app, folks. It is a central intelligent hub for literally all of your files.
To support all this, Google also just launched NotebookLM Plus for the true power users. Now, the free tier is still great for standard users with basic limits, but the Plus tier? That brings in the heavy artillery for enterprise. You get priority access to the cutting-edge Gemini AI model, enterprise-level security, and massively expanded usage limits.
Speaking of limits, check out this number, 600. NotebookLM Plus allows you to upload up to 600 different sources into a single notebook. With a context window that absolutely massive, you could upload an entire company's history, a decade of financial reports, or an entire semester's worth of college textbooks into one interactive AI brain.
And the real beauty here for professionals is in the ecosystem integration. Remember those smart data tables we talked about a minute ago? Well, you can seamlessly export that perfectly formatted competitor analysis or earnings report directly into Google Sheets with just a single click. This ecosystem connectivity is arguably one of the most powerful yet totally underrated workflow upgrades of the entire year.
Wrapping up with our final section, the future of productivity evolving beyond a note-taking app.
So the main takeaway from today's explainer is really pretty simple. NotebookLM is rapidly evolving into a full-fledged AI operating system for knowledge, which leads us to a pretty provocative question. Could AI workspaces like this eventually replace traditional productivity apps like Word, PowerPoint, and Excel entirely? I really want to hear from you on this one. Drop down and tell us your thoughts in the comments below. Seriously, don't let yourself fall behind in this fast-evolving AI space. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and we'll catch you in the next explainer.